This isn't just any horse, it's a living storm. Meet the Appaloosa, a breed so unique it was once the king of ancient battles. Look at those patterns. These natural spots make the Appaloosa one of the most unique animals on Earth. No two are exactly alike. They aren't just a pretty face. Appaloosas are famous for being incredibly fierce and highly intelligent. They can navigate forests and terrains like no other. Back in the day, these were the ultimate war horses. Their speed and stamina made them legends of the battlefield. Have you ever seen a horse this cool? Drop a comment and subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts.